let's get you guys outside and really talk about what's happening here in Central Texas. By the way, I hope you all had a wonderful day today, but let's look at your weather headlines. So yeah, we're trending more seasonable for the next few days or so. We're talking maybe the next 48 hours or so. We got windy conditions throughout today and into next week, the beginning of next week actually, and I have no significant rain chances in the forecast, which we definitely need the rain considering how dry we've been. So let's get you guys outside. Like I said, Texas has the best sunsets. You can argue with me, but I'm sorry. This is just beautiful right here. 60 degrees, north winds at 14 miles per hour. Like I said earlier, that's just the sustained winds. We're not even including the gust out there. And as far as relative humidity goes, it's very dry at 30%. Temperatures across the region, 58 in Mejia, 58 in Fairfield as well. Further south, College Station, you're at 65. How about 64 in Hearn? Off to the west, 54 in Hamilton, 54 in Gulfway. So very comfortable evening as we continue to progress through the night. Satellite and radar, yeah, we have the northerly flow. That's a drier airflow. And this just is indicative of that cold front that moved through yesterday. And you can see we have red flag warnings in southern Texas and even spreads out all the way into the southeast and other states. And it's been lifted in the Panhandle, which is good. They don't have the winds in the forecast anymore, which is good because we need the emergency responders to contain those fires up there. And when we're talking about dew points, you can see 20s and 30s is very uncomfortable. We're talking dry, very dry air out there. You want to be around the 50s and 60s for this time of year. And if you think that's dry, look further north. Amarillo, 9-degree dew point temperature. Lubbock, 7-degree dew point temperature. So it's really dry out there. But luckily, like I said, they don't have the winds in the forecast, so it'll be a lot easier to contain those fires. But back here in Central Texas, these winds are whipping out here. Here's what Sunday's talking about. It's going to be more breezy. We're not talking very strong gusts, but this is still enough to cause some spreading wildfires, which we definitely don't want that. Now, moving in to Monday, we get a nice little break, but look, by the time we get to Tuesday afternoon, it starts to pick right back up once again. We're talking anywhere from 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts throughout the day, and it moves all the way into Wednesday as well. And because of this, we have to talk about the fire danger. We have an elevated risk here in Central Texas today and tomorrow. So you don't want to be burning any brush. You don't want to be parking over tall grass. We're seeing places like Coryell County could get very high in this situation. So do not burn brush around this time. Also, burn bans are also in place. So definitely don't want to burn anything out there. Evening planner for you guys. The rest of the night will start to gradually fall down in the upper 40s, and we're talking near freezing temperatures into the overnight hours. You can see further off west, they might be at the freezing mark. San Saba, Gulfway, Hamilton, you're just right above it. Highs for tomorrow rebound right back into the 60s. So another seasonable day and another seasonable day for your Monday as too. We'll see 61 for your Monday. We'll start to warm right back up, moving into your Tuesday, and then back into the 80s by the time we get to Wednesday. Ice cream weather once again. 80 for your Thursday, and then as we move into the latter part of next week, we'll cool down into the 70s, still very above average for where we should be. And you can always remember, if you missed this forecast, you can always watch it on our 6+ streaming app because it is free. And who doesn't like free?